Working with IRC chat clients and have a chat configuration file. These store settings for Internet Relay Chat Client software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these IRC chat configuration files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted CAT files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. CHAT files are configuration files used by Internet Relay Chat IRC Client software, containing server connection settings, channel preferences, user identities, scripts, and chat history. They enable consistent IRC client configuration across sessions and devices. CHAT files use plain text or structured formats specific to their originating IRC client, storing server addresses, port numbers, nickname configurations, channel auto-join lists, script bindings, and user preferences, following the IRC client's configuration specification. System file recognition for CHAT is optimized for visual IRC by Adrian Cable and Jesse McGrew. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows allows inspection of source files, but rendered output appears in the browser. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your CHAT file and select Open With. Use Visual IRC if it's installed. It's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. When your CHAT file does not open, it is usually a small issue. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to 3 simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, opening an IRC client. Place the chat file in your IRC client's configuration directory, or use the client's import function to load settings. Popular IRC clients like MIRC HexChat and IRSSE recognize their respective chat formats, automatically applying the configuration during startup. Next, editing as text. Open chat files in a text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to inspect and modify settings directly. The text format reveals server settings, channel lists, and other preferences, enabling manual customization of IRC client behavior without using the application's interface. Finally, migrating between clients. Adapt chat file content for use across different IRC clients by translating settings to each client's specific configuration format. Most IRC clients use similar settings concepts, enabling migration of server lists, channel preferences, and identity settings between MIRC HexChat and other popular clients. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.